Myntri rangbah jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ulak Kyntu Iakren BJP Meghalaya balada kwah Iakren Halor kano ke bynta kilaban beit Shuh Iakren bat mancukuno tang bar Shuh Conrad Sangma ulong bakumu chairman ke MDA kwah baroh sain pyrthei badon lang hak sorkar bikin don lang jingkitkhlieh daga bakinya phylliew jingmut lang hak lynti kaba ban kyntiew jylla.
There's no concern, no doubt about that. If there are any concerns that any of the political parties are facing, we have always said that please come and share, discuss with us. And if you have any concerns, we can always resolve it and we can find a solution to it. But I think coming out in the press like this and continuously giving irresponsible statements is not the way. You have to act responsibly. You have to make sure that you give consistent statements. And I think the way the party leadership of the BJP has been speaking has been very, very responsible, and therefore whatever Deputy CM has said is absolutely correct. As a political party and more so as an individual, I always have maintained that commitment given in politics is very important. I have been through a lot in the past where I've seen that when one doesn't stick to commitments and one doesn't keep the words, then it is something that really affects the future aspect of politics. And I've learned this from people like none other like Dr. Don Cooper Roy. So we are very clear when it comes to our commitments. We've been very clear to our commitments given to all our coalition partners. In fact, if you speak to our coalition partners, you will see that whenever any situation is there, we are very accommodating and we respect the relationship we have with them. So therefore, there's no question of thinking in that line that we are in a better position or somebody else is not. A commitment is a commitment and we will always stick by it. But we expect the same from our coalition partners also, that they should ensure that they also act in a responsible manner. The individuals who are speaking now were not even there when the discussions between BJP and NPP and the MDA took place. They were most probably in other political parties or they were independents. So they don't even know what discussion and what level. So I think they should understand that they're not in the right position to really go into all those details. But as a coalition partner and as a chairman of the MDA, I'm very much willing to discuss all the matters, but one must act in a responsible manner. Thank you.